Imagine your phone knows what you want before you even ask. It suggests videos you like. It finishes your sentences. It even talks back to you. Feels like magic, right? Well, it's not magic. It's called artificial intelligence. Let's make this super simple. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is when machines act a little bit like humans. Not in body, but in thinking. Think of it like this. Your brain learns from experience. AI also learns from experience. But instead of life, AI learns from data. Imagine teaching a small child. You show them pictures of cats again and again. After some time, they can look at a new picture and say, "That's a cat." AI works the same way. You show it thousands of pictures. It learns patterns. Then it can recognize things on its own. You already used AI every day. You just don't notice it. 1. YouTube recommendations. When YouTube suggests videos you'll like, that's AI watching what you watch. 2. Google Maps. When it tells you the fastest route, it's using AI to study traffic. 3. Voice assistants. When you say, "Hey, play music," and it understands you, that's AI listening and responding. 4. Chatbots. When you chat with apps or websites, AI is often the one replying. 5. Face unlock. Your phone recognizes your face. That's AI seeing and identifying you. Here's the easiest way to understand AI. AI equals machines that learn plus think plus decide. A little like humans. Not perfect, but getting better every day. So next time your phone suggests a video or finishes your sentence, remember, it's not magic. It's artificial intelligence. And this is just the beginning. The future, it's going to be even smarter.